What are the differences between CSV and Excel file format?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an important aspect of data management, file formats. More specifically, we'll be discussing CSV and Excel file formats, two of the most commonly used formats for data storage and exchange. Let's unravel their differences and understand their specific uses.
What are CSV and Excel file formats?
CSV stands for comma-separated values. It is a simple format that stores tabular data, numbers and text, as plain text. Each line of the file typically represents a single data record, and each field or data point in that record is separated by commas. On the other hand, Excel file format refers to the proprietary file format from Microsoft's Excel application, often saved as .xls or XLSX. This format is far more complex and feature-rich, allowing for individual cell formatting, the inclusion of images, charts, formulas, and a variety of data types.
What are the differences between CSV and Excel file formats?
There are several key differences between CSV and Excel file formats. 1. Complexity and functionality. The Excel file format is significantly more complex, providing a wide range of features not found in CSV files. This includes the ability to store formulas, use multiple worksheets in a single file, cell formatting, images, charts, and more. CSV files are plain text files, so they lack these advanced features but offer simplicity and universal compatibility in return. 2. Software compatibility. CSV files can be opened by any text editor or any spreadsheet software like Google Sheets, LibreOffice, and, of course, Excel itself. Excel files, in contrast, are best opened with Excel. They can be opened by other spreadsheet software, but there may be compatibility issues, especially with more advanced features. 3. File size. CSV files are typically much smaller than Excel files. This makes them easier to handle, especially when dealing with large volumes of data. 4. Data types. In Excel, each cell can have its own data type, like number, date, currency, etc. CSV files, however, do not have a built-in method for representing data types. Everything is essentially a string. This could lead to a loss of formatting when saving data as CSV.
When to use each format?
CSV is best used when you need simplicity, universal compatibility, and a smaller file size. They are ideal for data exchange between platforms and programming languages. Excel format is better when you need to use advanced features like formulas, charts, cell formatting, or if you want to include multiple data sets in separate tabs. However, it may lead to larger file sizes and potential compatibility issues with non-Excel software. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has provided a clear understanding of the differences between CSV and Excel file formats. Whether you need the rich feature set of Excel or the simple, universal compatibility of CSV, knowing when to use each format can make your data management tasks a lot easier. As always, remember that the best tool for the job often depends on the specifics of your task. Happy data handling!